Hello, hello, hello. Ugam baga?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
Good morning.
Ma-intro pa, sir? Ma-intro pa? Kain na? Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn the heat up as we dive into the second game of the second round. It's the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers versus the Genesis Roaring Lions in a juniors division showdown. Both teams ready to pounce and roar their way to victory. It's a thrilling Sunday morning and we are live once again from the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. Continuing the excitement of the second round of Bukal Season 6. This is Jasper Abante with my co-commentator Rick Puerta, and we are excited to bring you every thrilling moment of this highly anticipated game.
Ayan, nagbabalik nga tayo dito sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium for our second game. Again, nabanggit mo kanina, it's between Genesis and Pasakaw Academy. So, first, blood will go on the side of the Pasakaw Academy. Now, ball possession ng Pasakaw Academy. Great rebound on the side of Genesis.
And Rick, as you can remember, itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers is still hungry for their first win this season. So titingnan natin yan kung isi-secure nila yung kanilang first win dito sa second game ng ating second round. Then of course, ang ating Genesis Roaring Lions, ang kanilang standing this season ay 4 wins and 1 loss. We have to keep our eyes on Ryan Ganahan, jersey number 27. And of course, on Yocampo, jersey number 14. Yung mga key players ng Genesis Roaring Lions. And on the other hand, we have the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Let's hear an update from our courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, what's the update?
Good morning, Rick and Jasper, and hello, Bicolanga. We are now on the second round of the elimination round here at Bukal Season 6 Basketball Men's Division. This is Chen Shaira Nicolas reporting live from the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Forgetting their losses and mistake is one of their adjustment since they need to bounce back stronger. This time, the White Tigers intend to play with composure and use their effort to win this game. So will they finally take home their first victory? Rick and Jasper, we will see. Kaya naman manatiling nakatutok dito lang sa Bukal Season 6, One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Again, thank you so much, Chen, for that update. So yun nga, kanina Jasper, nabanggit mo na ang Pasakaw Academy seeking their first win here sa ating liga. And let's see kung ano ba ang gagawin na ditong pag-bounce back and redemption on their side para makakuha ng unang panalo dito sa Bukal Season 6. And right on cue, another point conversion on the side of the Pasakaw Academy. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang Genesis. 7-0 on our scoreboard, 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. So dito sa ating early stage of game, talagang nakikita natin dito ang eagerness ng Pasakaw Academy. to get their high percentage score at para talagang hindi makahabol dito ang Genesis. Kitang-kita naman sa ating scoreboard, 7-0. Talagang pinaghandaan nila itong game na ito kasi yun nga, uhaw na uhaw dito ang Pasakaw Academy. So let's wait and see kung ano ang magiging resulta ng larong ito.
Magandang arangkada for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers dito sa second game ng ating second round. And of course, we'll see kung ano naman yung gagawing bawi since maagang napatawag dito ng timeout itong ating Genesis Roaring Lions. So we'll see kung ano yung ginawa nilang adjustments and pagbawi dito sa ating first quarter. And speaking of the Genesis Roaring Lions, nandyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain, the birthday girl, to give us an update. Alright, so what's the update?
Hello, Bicolandia, and to all our live Facebook viewers here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon on One Media TV 48 Naga. As we go on our ongoing match for today, the Genesis Roaring Lions versus the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside reporter on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Mas naging solid ang team na to, yan ang sabi ng head coach as I asked him a while ago. The Genesis Roaring Lions conducted a team building in order to strengthen their chemistry. They have been working and improving their defense plays to give the opponent a hard time. From the very beginning of the game, the players were already given specific plays to execute and was reminded to avoid fouls. Now, will the Genesis Roaring Lions be able to conquer the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers? Yan muna ang abangan natin. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And ayun na nga, solid daw itong team na ito, sabi ng kanilang head coach. And of course, titingnan natin or aabangan natin, Rick, yung kanilang team building dito sa laban nila kontra sa Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And of course, yung specific plays na ginawa nitong kanilang coach for his players. And we'll see if the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers will get their first win in the second game of the second round, or the Genesis Roaring Lions will secure their fifth win this season.
So talagang ang gandang tignan nitong Genesis Roaring Lions because as we all know, baguhan ito dito sa ating liga, but kitang-kita naman sa standing nila na talagang hindi sila magpapahuli compared doon sa mga previous teams na andito na matagal sa bukal. And 5-1 ang standing na kailangan nila ngayong or gusto nilang maiuwi on their side. Pero let's see kung ano ang magiging result nga ng game na ito. 7-2 on our scoreboard. Ball possession ng White Tigers.
Ayun na nga, Rick, at nagkaroon na dito ng puntos ang ating Genesis Roaring Lions courtesy by Nieva. Now let's see here kung anong pagbawi ang gagawin dito ng White Tigers. And yun na nga, turnover tayo dito on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, jersey number 5, Bernales, looking for a good opportunity here on the outside. Now, jersey number 27, fires for the 3, and that's good. No hesitation shot on that outside. Pasok yun for 3 points. And the whistle here. Natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 41 of the Genesis Roaring Lions, Punzalan. Mabilis na naibaba nitong ating Genesis Roaring Lions ang kalamangan ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Now let's see here, jersey number 8, Bola. Miscue here, wrong pass, turnover on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 27 again on the outside, no good on that attempt. Now, jersey number 14, Bio, to Francisco. Now, jersey number 42, no good on that attempt.
Ball possession ng Genesis, jersey number 9, no good on that layup attempt. Now, back to White Tigers, ball possession. Oriol looking for his teammate. Francisco will try for that 3. No good. Great defense ang pinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan. That's why nahihirapang magkaroon ng point conversion. Defensive rebound on the side of Pasakaw White Tigers. Bio passing the ball to Oriol and now Francisco.
As we can see, Rick, mas marami yung chances nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers pagdating sa kanilang offensive rebound. Pero ayun na nga, medyo nahihirapan silang makapasok pag nakaka-rebound na sila. And ito namang ating Genesis Roaring Lions, medyo mas madali sa kanila yung fast break. Doon nila dinadaan itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers had a lot of chances pagdating sa offensive rebound.
Peña will try for that long three, no good. Pasakaw White Tigers securing that ball. Oriol itatawid ang bola. Offensive rebound on the side of the White Tigers. Pero masyadong malikot dito ang depensa on the side of the Genesis.
Peña pushes to the inside. Now jersey number 27. Napakagandang shot. Jersey number 9 rather, Monpon Banwa. Grabe. Magandang pagbawi ang pinapakita dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions kontra dito sa ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. No hesitation pagkuha niya ng bola. He pushes to the inside with that layup and that's good. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawing adjustments dito ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers since ayun na nga Rick, napatawag na sila ng timeout dito sa 3-minute mark ng ating first quarter.
And before that, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glove Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayan Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and this live streaming is powered by Converge FiberX. And back to the ball game.
Ball possession of the White Tigers. Now, jersey number 3, Oriol. Passes to jersey number 14, Bio. Francisco to jersey number 1. Puts up that 2 points and that's good. Deadlock by 9 points dito sa ating 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter. Now, Peña on the outside to Monpon Banwa on the corner. Ganahan, no good on that attempt. And the whistle here. Out of bounds as the Genesis Roaring Lions will take the ball possession.
$14 seconds to shoot para dito sa Genesis. Peña looking for his teammate. No good on a 3-point attempt. Offensive rebound on the side of their team.
That's good. Grabe yun. Pinilit ng ating Roaring Lions na ipasok yung bola. That's good. Magandang momentum ang pinapakita dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions.
But still, these two teams, very tight matchup. And yun nga, right on cue, again, deadlock at 11. So no room for errors for both teams because 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. Sino kaya dito ang makakakuha ng magandang momentum sa pagtatapos ng ating first quarter na dadalhin on our second quarter? No good on that 3-point attempt. Great block on the side of Pasakaw Academy, but losing that ball. 6 seconds to shoot para sa Genesis.
Back-to-back chances for the White Tigers, and this time Natawagan doon ng 3 seconds violation. Turnover on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Now, nagmamadali. Escano with that block by jersey number 13, pero natawagan doon ng foul si jersey number 41 of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Escano of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Kaya naman, Rick, mag-shoutout tayo dito sa ating online viewers. We have Alea Mirabueno, Kat Dahero, De Los Santos John Carl, Daniela Dulay, we have Ruel Tud, Kenneth Bola, John Franco Aguja, and Ivan Acebuche. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Back to the ball game. Genesis ball possession. Peña looking for his teammate. Fires for that 3. Again, walang sabit on that last sequence para dito sa Genesis. Now, 1-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. What will the Pasakaw White Tigers do para dito sa ating natitirang 1 minute and 19 seconds?
Ayan, syempre Rick, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga major sponsors. We have Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. And parehas na teams ay warning for penalty situation na. 1-point lead ang hawak dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Ball possession of the White Tigers.
The White Tigers has the chance para makuha ang kalamangan at yun nga, abante dito ng isa ang kanilang kupunan. 56 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. Again, very close and tight match between these two teams. Talagang they are well prepared para dito sa araw na ito. Now, Genesis with the ball possession. Peña.
No good on that attempt by Peña. Pero magandang chance na yun, Rick. Nagkasaway pa nga tayo. Now, jersey number 23, no good. And a steal here by defensive rebound rather by the White Tigers. And natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 13. Penalty situations, both teams, kaya naman makakakuha dito ng 2 free throws si Bio on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Kaya naman, shoutout muna tayo dito kay J. Angelo Pascual, Fatima Balisoro, and kay Sofia Recto. Ayan, ang napakagandang photographer ng Oragon Sports TV. And also kay Kayla Casulya, ang napakaganda nating courtside reporter. Ayan, shout out sa inyo.
Ayan, 14 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. 17-14 on our scoreboard. Peña and the rest of this Genesis squad kailangan makapuntos at this moment. But again, what a great defense on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers. And that's the end of our first quarter. No first quarter jitters for both teams. Let's see more actions when we come back here sa ating second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
are back here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Huerta dito sa ating second quarter. 17-14. Ayan at deadlock na tayo sa 17 points. Magandang bawi of the Genesis Rolling Lions. A block here by jersey number 13. Now, Peña for the Rolling Lions. Nagmamadali. No good on that attempt. Now, may bawi doon si jersey number 23. De La Runa of the Rolling Lions.
Now, Pasakaway Tigers on the offense. Heavily guarded here. Again, match na match talagang dalawang kupunan na ito. The Genesis Roaring Lion and the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 2-point lead ulit ang hawak dito ng ating Genesis. Now, Pasakaw White Tigers. Time to shoot para dito sa kanilang kupunan. What a great fadeaway shot on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers. Again, deadlock at 19. Ball possession ng Genesis. Peña itatawid ang bola on their side. And now, 8 minutes and 43 seconds for our second quarter. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Genesis. What a great block. And I think ready na ang courtside reporter on the side of the Genesis Rolling Lion. Let's call our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain. Anong balita dyan?
Hello, Rick and Jasper. As both teams are eager to score, the Lions was repeatedly told to avoid fouls and focus on making a basket. Transitions and recovery in their position should be maintained to balance their offense and defense. During huddle, they were instructed to adjust and be aware where the ball is. Proper screens should be always be observed. As the second quarter started, the main goal of the Genesis Lions is to make up for the first one. Focus on defense and balance their attacks as well. Now this is the Lions ready to take the lead. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Genesis Rolling Lions. Ayan, ang ating birthday girl. Salamat sa iyong update on the side of the Genesis Rolling Lions. And ayun na nga, kailangan dito higpitan yung depensa ng ating Genesis Rolling Lions para naman maiwasan na lumamang pa itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And sa ngayon nga ay lamang na ng 2 puntos itong ating Roaring Lions. I mean, the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Alright, 7 minutes and 30 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Escano on the 3 points attempt, and that's good! Hatid sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Grabe, clean basket for Escano, 3 points. And on the side naman of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter na si Chen. Alright, so, hi Chen, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. First quarter pa lang nga, nakapuntos agad ang White Tigers na nagbunga sa kanilang kalamangan. Pero it seems like hindi magpapatalo ang kabilang kupunan para sa larong ito. Kitang-kita naman natin na talagang parehong team ang gustong umuwing panalo. Kaya naman during the huddle, the coach continuously remind his player na ipagpatuloy lang ang magandang depensa na ipinapakita dahil defense is the best offense. Yan muna ang update dito sa side ng White Tigers. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Magandang back-to-back points ang ginagawa dito ng ating White Tigers. Kaya naman agad na napatawag dyan ng timeout ang side ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Magandang simula for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers dito sa ating second round. And nakikita naman natin, Rick, lamang na ng 7 points itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And medyo dikit na dikit yung laban dahil parehas na teams gustong maiuwi ang panalo dito sa second game ng ating second round this season.
Ayan, talagang Pinaghanda nito on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers because why not? Nasa second round na tayo ng elimination round, so anything can happen. Kung sino dito ang magiging dark horse on the standings at makikita natin dito kung ano ba ang magiging transitions ng mga ibang teams coming from that first round of elimination papasok dito sa ating second round of elimination. Yan ang aabangan natin lahat. So sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow, subscribe sa ating mga Facebook pages. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, and Bukal Facebook page. Ano pa po ang hinihintay nyo? Mag-like and subscribe and follow na po tayong lahat para lagi tayong updated sa ating basketball league na ito.
Ayan, at nagbabalik na tayo dito sa ating second quarter. We have here Bernales from the side of the Roaring Lions, and natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 27 of the White Tigers. A simple possession for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ayan, shoutout tayo dito kay Van Kelly de la Vega, Mark Benaobra, and kay Manuel Oco. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan, shoutout din kay Christine Reyes, Aljon Pogoy, and kay Cristina Valenzuela na always nakatutok dito sa ating live streaming. Thank you so much po. Back to the ball game.
No good on that attempt, pero may bawi dito. Napakalakas. Third chance, and that's good by jersey number 41, Punzalan of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, jersey number 10, that's good. Grabe yun.
What a great move.
With that spin, talagang pinilit niyang ipasok yung 2 points layup na yon.
Grabe, outplaying those 3 defensive players on the side of Genesis. Let's see kung makakabawi dito ang kanilang kupunan. And a whistle coming from our referee here. So intense matchup nakikita natin or natutunghayan dito sa loob ng Ateneo Dinaga Gymnasium. Sulit na sulit ang pagpunta dito ng fans ng Genesis Roaring Lions na talaga namang all smiles when it comes to supporting this Genesis Roaring Lions. Thank you so much po for your support.
And as we can see here, yung ating players from STI Olympians nandito rin para suportahan ang dalawang teams na ito. We have here Coach Noel Ordaz of the STI Olympians, and some of the players of the Olympians nandito rin para manood at syempre suportahan itong dalawang koponan na ito. Ayan, at happy Saturday rather, sa ating mga nanonood sa ating online live stream and also dito sa ating venue para suportahan ang kanilang mga teams. And magandang ano rin kasi to, Rick, di ba? Magandang banding ba?
Yes.
Yung panonood ng Bukal kasi magagandang laban, quality, top tier basketball actions ang matutunghayan natin dito. Kaya naman hindi masasayang yung oras and of course yung ilalaan mong panahon sa panonood dito sa ating Bukal. And of course, pwede rin dito sa ating online live stream. Now, Pio, jersey number 8 on the outside with that foul and the 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 8 of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Magandang momentum ang ipinapakita dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
Yes. Talagang kitang-kita dito na they are ready for our second round of elimination sa Bukal Season 6. Now, another point was added on the side of this Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Squad 30-21 on our scoreboard. At dagdagan pa yan ng isa, hindi na nga dito hinahayaan ng White Tigers na makadikit ang ating Genesis Roaring Lions because kanina kung napapansin natin, 2 points, 3 points, ganyan lamang ang kalamangan dito ng dalawang koponan. But right now, these Pasakaw White Tigers is on a run here. Now Bio looking for his teammate. Aims for a point.
No good on that attempt by Luwansing. Now nagmamadali Ryan Ganahan with that fake and puts up for 2 points. Grabe yun, napakagandang aksyon, napakagandang move by Ryan Ganahan on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now let's see, jersey number 10 on that 3 points attempt and grabe! Pasok! Clean basket for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Grabe! Napakainit ng laban ngayon, Rick. Second game of the second round. Let's see kung anong ganti naman. 2 points, ganti back-to-back points by Ryan Ganahan. Grabe.
What a game for these two teams. Great exchange. In and out ball on that last attempt coming from the Pasakaw White Tigers. And too strong on that pass para dito sa ating Roaring Lions. So turnover. Napakagandang panoorin ng dalawang kupanan na ito dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And now, matira-matibay na lang para dito sa ating laro. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para dito sa ating second quarter. The ball will remain on the side of this Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Na talaga namang
Grabe.
nag-iinit, Jasper, dito sa ating larong ito.
Bagay na bagay yung intro ko kanina, Rick. Time to turn the heat up. No good on the 3 points attempt by Bio. Now let's see. Monpon Banwa on the corner. 13 seconds to shoot here. Now Monpon Banwa first for the 3. No good on that attempt pero offensive rebound. Now, jersey number 27, Ganahan. No good on the 3 points attempt. And defensive rebound here by the White Tigers. Now, Escano to jersey number 14 with that foul. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay jersey number 14, Bio of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Nananatiling lamang pa rin dito ang ating White Tigers. 9 points ang kanilang kalabangan dito sa ating second quarter with 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining.
What a game para dito sa Pasakaw White Tigers, because as we can observe right now, kung di man makakuha on fast break and layup itong side ng White Tigers, talagang they are forcing na magkaroon ng error dito ang ating Genesis Roaring Lions to take advantage of that free throw opportunity. What a wise basketball IQ on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers. So let's see on the side of Genesis kung ano ang magiging adjustment dito, because right now, again, White Tigers is on a run here.
Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang momentum na nasimulan dito ng White Tigers. Jersey number 14, no good on that 3 points attempt. Offensive rebound and a steal here. Pero out of bounds as the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers will take the ball possession. Good chances, good opportunities for the White Tigers here since back-to-back points ang kanilang na idadagdag and many chances, ball possessions, pero we'll see, we will have a replay here kung kanino ba talaga mapupunta yung bola on that last sequence. Ayan. So habang naghihintay tayo kung sa ating replay, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Aman Engineering Enterprise, we build to last. Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza. Duty Free Philippines. Shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. Universidad de Santa Isabel. We also have BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang #1. Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. We also have the major sponsors of Bukal, Bigs, Elise Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading Industries Incorporated, Grupo Cariswet, and of course, 3GX Solutions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
Ayan, the officials are clarifying things right now. So, time for both teams na magkaroon ng kaunting huddle para magkaroon ng magandang game plan dito. 35-25 on our scoreboard. And patapos na tayo sa ating first half. 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining on our time. Now, ano kaya ang magiging... So the ball possession will go on the side of the Pasakaway Tigers.
Now, Punzalan passes to jersey number 5 of the Roaring Lions. Bernales to Monpon Banwa on the outside. Now, Monpon Banwa, no good in that attempt, and defensive rebound here by the White Tigers. Jersey number 14, Bio. Now to jersey number 21, Luan Singh with that whistle. And the same ball possession dahil natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 14 of the Genesis Roaring Lions.
Oriol to inbound. No good para dito. And the ball will remain on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers, and couple of substitution on the side of this Genesis Roaring Lion because tinitignan pa nito ang good chemistry na mabibuild at magandang game plan on their team. Now chance for them para may baba dito ang kalamang hawak ng kanilang kalaban.
What a block by jersey number 42, Escano. And nagkaagawa na nga dito ng bola. After that block, mapupunta ang bola on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ayan, same ball possession lang tayo dito. Grabe. Magandang momentum talaga ang pinapakita dito ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 10 puntos pa rin po ang kanilang kalamangan dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Oriol, no hesitation shot. Pero no good on that attempt. Now, no good on that attempt. Pero may bawi din si Abache. At may kasama pa yung foul. Grabe, magandang bawi. 3 points play opportunity for Abache of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And that's good. Ayan, Amdranto rather, check in for the White Tigers now. Oriol, Bio rather. Bio, mid-range jumper, that's good. Agad namang nakabawi itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
Now, down to our 46 seconds para dito sa ating first half. And a traveling violation was called on the player of this Genesis Roaring Lions. So turnover, crucial turnover on their side. Ball possession ngayon ng Pasakaw White Tigers. Oriol to inbound. Passing the ball to Bio. And now Bio, heavily guarded here, Adranto. Agawa ng bola.
Same ball possession here after that ball held situation. Oriol to inbound. 9 points lead ang kalamangan dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Now let's see kung dadagdagan pa nila yan. 26 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half. And out of bounds as the same ball possession for the White Tigers. Now, traveling violation ang itinawag dito. Quick turnover on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Syempre, Rick, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Bernales for the Roaring Lions. Now, Bernales, what a block again by Escano. Grabe itong si Escano. Back-to-back block ang ipinapakita dito ni Escano. Magandang depensa. Now, that's good. Jersey number 13. Tamang-tama, saktong-sakto. Before we end our first half, he spins and throw that 2 points and counted. Diyan na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Diyan lamang po kayo. At magbabalik po kami sa ating second half only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa Bimeg Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa Bimeg Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa ating second half. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and Rick Puerta. Ayan at magandang simula ang ipinapakita dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions with that two free throws for Abache. Seven points na lamang po ang kalamangan dito ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Bawasan pa natin yan ng isa. 6 points lead. Let's see kung ibababa pa yan sa 5 ni Abache on his second attempt.
Now, 5-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Pasakaw White Tigers. Alimuin. Passing the ball to Oriol. Taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here. And a shot clock violation was called on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers. So, better start on the side of this Genesis Rolling Lions, taking that 2 points and forcing this Pasakaw White Tigers for the shot clock violation. Now it's their time to get another score, and right on cue, 2 points was added on their side.
Courtesy of Punsalan's jersey number 41 of the Roaring Lions. Now, Oriol. Heavily guarded here. Now, double team and out of bounds as the same ball possession for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And speaking of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter. Chen, what's your update?
Well, Rick and Jasper, we are now on the half quarter of the game at patuloy pa rin na nag-iinit ang laban sa dalawang kupunan. And second quarter is really something dahil I can see the eagerness of the White Tigers to win this game. And I want to commend the consistency of their free throws na talagang wala silang sinasayang. During the huddle nga, the coach remind the players na huwag masyadong magalaw dahil ang goal nila ay manalo at ma-execute ng maayos ang larong ito. They need to put an extra effort para sa natitirang quarter. Ika nga ni Coach. Yan muna ang latest dito sa side ng White Tigers. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And nakikita naman natin, Rick, no, yung eagerness and yung consistency nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. They are very eager to get their first win this season. And of course, unang panalo dito sa second round ng ating season. And yun na nga, coaches reminded them na wag magalaw dahil yung pinaka-goal nila is to win and ma-execute ng maayos yung kanilang game plan. And nakikita naman dito sa ating halftime analysis, mas mataas yung scores or yung pasok na attempts pagdating sa free throws. And on the other hand naman, we have the Genesis Roaring Lions. Let's hear an update from our courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Jasper and Rick. With the current standing of the Genesis Lions, they're determined to exert more effort in playing. Players should have enough awareness of their positions while playing, as it is causing them to have a weak defense. During huddle, they were identifying ways to counter the attack of the opponent while reducing their fouls as much as possible. The Lions should always execute a play the way it should be. With this, they'll be able to perform well. Look for opportunities and always take advantage of the open. With the third quarter standing, the Lions is ready to make up for their loss. Yan muna ang update on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Rick.
Thank you so much, Rain. Birthday girl on that update from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And ayun na nga, kailangan ng magdoble, kung pwede triple, yung effort dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions para makuha ang unang panalo this second round and of course their 5th win this season. And of course, kailangan nilang maghanap ng pang-counter attack dun sa mga atake or sa mga opensa na ginagawa nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And of course, kailangan nilang iwasan yung errors nila dito since this is very crucial for the team na itaas yung kanilang kalamangan, sila naman yung lumamang and to keep their momentum on this ball game. And of course, they must take those opportunities. Kailangan nilang siguraduhin yung kanilang shots so with the points, secure them and take advantage on their opponent. Ayan lamang ang update on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now back to the ball game.
Now, ball possession ng Genesis. But a great steal coming from the White Tigers. Regaspi goes inside, passing that ball. No good. Second chance point, wala pa rin dito. And now, Alimuin.
Good opportunity for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 9 Punzalan of the Genesis Roaring Lions.
No.
Free throws ang igagawa dito kay Atienza. No good on his first attempt.
No room for error on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers because the Genesis kitang-kita dito sa pagpasok ng ating second half. Bumabawi, isa na lamang dito ang kanilang dapat habulin. No good on that. Free throw para dito sa ating Pasakaw White Tigers. And now, the Genesis Roaring Lions. Abante na ng isa.
Change of favor na tayo dito, Rick. 1-point lead na ang hawak dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy ba yan. Alimuin. Now, Regaspi to Alimuin. Jersey number 5. Mid-range. No good. Now, Ganahan with that spin and off balance. Pero may bawi doon si jersey number 73, Abache. That's good for 2 points. 3 puntos na po ang kalamangan nila dito kontra sa ating White Tigers. Now, Escano with that layup. Napakalakas. Medyo napalakas doon yung layup. No good. Now, Ganahan. Back-to-back points of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Nahinto doon yung momentum nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, and ito namang ating Genesis Roaring Lions yung nagtutuloy-tuloy dito sa 6-minute mark ng ating ball game. Grabe, Rick, 5 5 points na ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Titingnan natin sa tinawag na timeout ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers kung paano nila ihihinto yung momentum na nasimulan nitong ating Genesis Roaring Lions. And of course, para naman mabawi yung kalamangan. And sila naman yung magtuloy-tuloy dito sa ating 6th minute mark ng ating third quarter.
So what would be the adjustment on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers, because nakuha na nga dito ng Genesis ang momentum, change favor, and now Atienza and the rest of this Pasakaw White Tigers team talagang kailangan magdoble effort, no room for complacency, because yun nga, nabaliktad na dito ang ating scoreboard. Now, ball possession ng kanilang koponan. Bio, tatawid ang bola. Heavily guarded here now. Atienza, passing the ball to Francisco. And this time, magandang point conversion after that timeout on the side of their team. 3-point lead ang hawak ng Genesis, and now they are now on the offense.
Bernales on the outside. No good on that attempt. Offensive rebound by Monpon Banwa. 3 points attempt, no good. Third chance for the Roaring Lions. Now, with 10 seconds to shoot. And a traveling violation ang itinawag dito sa Genesis Roaring Lions. Quick turnover on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Now, Bio passes to Oriol. Nahihirapang tumawid itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And the same ball possession. Now let's see. Bio on the outside looking for a good pass here. Oriol on the corner. Jersey number 4. Francisco fires for the 3 and that's good. Grabe, magandang bawi ang ginawa dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Everything is tied up in 44 points. Grabe. Magandang bawi. Deadlock on 44 points now. Man-to-man defense na ang ginagawa dito ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, and a turnover here on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
So yun nga ang sabi ko kanina, no room for complacency for both teams, because kanina pa lamang sa ating first quarter talagang dikit na, naghahabulan na ang dalawang kupunan na ito, and libreng-libre with that layup. Back to this Pasakaw White Tigers ang kalamangan dito sa ating ball game, 46-44. Now Genesis. Bernales, anong gagawin dito? Great steal coming from the White Tigers. Bio.
Ayan, lamang na dito ang ating White Tigers ng 2 puntos. Mid-range jumper, bola, no good. Defensive rebound here of the Roaring Lions, pero wala. Back to the White Tigers here. Bola. Now, Bio on the outside. On the corner, 3-point shot, clean basket. Grabe. That 3 points ay hatid sa atin ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga City. Grabe. Lamang na ang Pasakaw Academy White Tigers ng 5 points. Well, kanina Rick, mabilis na ilipat yung kalamangan, yung 5 points na lamang from Genesis Roaring Lions, na ilipat na yan sa ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Ayan, at agad namang napatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng Genesis Roaring Lions. Titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments at para maihinto nila temporarily yung momentum na nasisimulan na naman nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
Ayan, kitang-kita nga dito sa side ng White Tigers na talagang gusto nilang makuha ang kanilang first win dito. On the other side of things, Genesis, kailangan na rin dito na magandang game plan because right now, hindi ko pa pala na ma-mention kanina si Bola na talaga naman siya ang palaging nagkakaroon ng 3 points dito on the side of this Pasaka White Tigers. And now, back to the ball game. Atienza on that rebound. Ayan, for the meantime, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout dito kay May Quintana, Ray Infante Puerta, Eliza Faith Respeto, Elaine Nia Francisco, Kisha Chloe Briosa at kay Mary France Lanuzo. Happy watching po.
Ayan at warning for penalty situation na itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Ball possession ngayon ng Genesis Roaring Lions. 2 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Now Peña to the head of Fars for the 3. No good in that attempt pero may bawi dito sa Nieva. 2 points. Magandang bawi by Nieva of the Genesis Roaring Lions. And the whistle here. Same ball possession for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Same ball possession pa rin for the White Tigers. Mahigpit na depensa ang ipinapakita dito ng ating Roaring Lions. Now Bola ang on fire na ngayon at Cienza, no good in that attempt. Now still here, Bio. Good chance for the White Tigers and a whistle. 2 free throws for Bio of the White Tigers. Napakagandang chance. At Yensa rather ang magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws. Well, Rick, according dun sa ating halftime analysis, mas mataas yung pasok na free throws nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 8/9 kontra doon sa nagawang free throws ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions with 1/3. And that's 33.33% lamang. And pagdating naman doon sa starter points, mas mataas pa rin yung starter points doon ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers kesa naman sa bench points ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Bio on the corner, Francisco nagdalawang isip, no good. Now Bola, Francisco again, ipinasok, no good. Abache, no hesitation, puts up that 2 points. 51-48. A 3 points lead here. Ayan at natawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 10. At may warning dito. Si jersey number 14 of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, Bio. Warning for technical foul. Now Atienza. No good on that attempt. Defensive rebound by jersey number 14, Punzalan. With that layup by Abache, 2-hands layup. Para daw siguradong pasok, Rick. Dadalawang kamay niya daw yon. Now, Oriol. Now, Bola on the outside again. 3 points attempt, no good for Bola. Abache again. Sayang yun, napakagandang galaw sana. Pero may bawi doon. Si Nieva, 2 points. Napakagandang galaw na pinakita sa atin.
Great block on the side of this Genesis. And now, hawak ulit nila dito ang 1-point lead. Chance for them para madagdagan pa dito ang kanilang kalamangan. Genesis to inbound. Seconds to shoot. First for that three, no good. Offensive rebound on the side of this Genesis squad. But Francisco.
At dyan na nga, Rick, nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. Change of favor ulit. 1-point lead ang hawak dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. 51-52. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami sa fourth and last quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium for our fourth and final quarter. 52-51 on our scoreboard and abante ng isa dito ang Genesis Roaring Lions. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng Pasakaway Tigers para makuha ang kalamangan or well, the Genesis Roaring Lions patuloy na aarangkada at makukuha ang kanilang panglimang panalo dito sa Bukal Season 6. And a foul was called on jersey number 14 on the side of this Genesis Roaring Lions. Pushing foul, and now back to Pasakaw White Tigers ball possession. Oriol first for that three, no good. Rebound on the side of this Genesis squad.
No good in that attempt by Abache. Now, jersey number 27. No good pa rin. And a steal here by the White Tigers. Escano passes to jersey number 8. Bola. And that's good for 3 points by Francisco. Grabe. Back-to-back 3 points. Ayan at change of favor na tayo dito. Lamang na po ang Pasakaw Academy White Tigers ng 2 puntos. Now, traveling violation ang naitawag doon sa ating Genesis Roaring Lions.
Ayan, change favor na naman tayo. So yan ang nagiging storya ng larong ito. Lalamang dito ang side ng White Tigers and makakalamang rin dito ang Genesis. So talagang anyone's basketball right now. We cannot conclude yet kung sino ang mananalo dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito because again, very close and tight match. And to hear an update sa side ng Pasaka White Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter Chen. Hi Chen, anong balita dyan?
Jasper, last quarter na nga at patuloy pa rin na ipinapakita ng White Tigers ang kanilang dedication para sa larong ito. Gitgitan nga ang laban during the third quarter and during the huddle ay talagang nagpapayuhan at nagtutulungan ang players para sa kanilang goal. Ika nga ni Coach, relax lang at huwag masyadong ma-pressure dahil hindi nagkakalayo ang score. They need to read the situation at sundin ng maayos ang instructions na sinasabi ni Coach to execute the game properly. Yan muna ang update, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Chen, on that update from the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And ayun na nga, lamang sila dito sa ating unang arangkada ng fourth and last quarter, 2 points. And not big for the Genesis Roaring Lions. Kayang-kayang bawiin. So, aabangan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. And ayun na nga, Francisco with that 2 free throw. Napakagandang opportunity on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And on the other hand naman, we have the Genesis Roaring Lions. Nandiyan na rin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain to give us an update. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. An intense match as we may call it, as both teams have been showing a great performance. But as for the Lions, bumabawi at tinitibayan pa nila inside the hard court. Taking the lead in the first minutes of the game, but eventually the opponent managed to take back the points. With this, they were advised to do a man-to-man defense. Still, we can say that this is a close fight as the third quarter ended with a 51-52 score in favor of the Lions. This is the last and final quarter. Let's see if the Lions will be able to conquer and win this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Aabangan natin kung makukuha nga ba ng Genesis Roaring Lions ang ikalima nilang panalo this season at unang panalo naman this second round. Ayun at natawagan dito ng offensive foul si Bernales, jersey number 5 of the Roaring Lions. Turnover here and a chance for the White Tigers. Naiangat yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Now, Oriol to Zunida. Francisco to Escano. No good on that attempt.
Wasted opportunity on the side of the Pasaka White Tigers. Good thing for Genesis because right now they are on the offense. Now, 8 seconds to shoot para sa kanilang kupunan. No good. And doon si Oriol to secure the ball on their side. No good para doon sa layup na yon. Now, ang gandang depensa ang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And now, Genesis on the offense right now. Looking for his teammate. And the ball will remain on the side of this Genesis Roaring Lions.
3 puntos ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. So we'll see. Masyadong mahaba pa rin yung natitirang oras. Marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. That's good for that 3 points attempt by Dahero. Tying up things here dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Deadlock on 57 points. Grabe. Napakabilis naman nakabawi ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 2 points. Ang kanilang kalamangan. Git-gitan, Rick. Masyadong dikit ang laban. Grabe.
What a game for these two teams. Paulit-ulit ko nang sinasabi because ang gandang panoorin ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now Genesis fires for that 3. And 3 points will be added on the side of their team. 60-59, back to 1-point lead. Hawak ngayon ang kanilang koponan. Now chance for the White Tigers here to bounce back at Atienza. Napakagandang puntos para doon sa last sequence na yon. So again, ito na nga ang sinasabi ko kaninang bawian lamang ang dalawang kupunan na ito. That's why hindi pa natin masasabi kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito. And now,
White
Oriol.
Tigers. Sayang yung chance na yun, Rick. A steal here by Dahero to Punzalan. No good on that attempt. Now Escano and a whistle here. Holding foul ang naitawag dito kay jersey number 41, Punzalan of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Kaya naman napatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. We are on the midway of our fourth and last quarter. Isang puntos lamang ang lamang dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And grabe rin yung laban natin. Very dikit, napaka dikit ng laban natin. And madaling nakakabawi itong dalawang teams na ito when it comes to scoring. Pero ang kailangan lang nila dito is to keep their momentum on, to lessen the chances of their opponent na makascore para naman magtuloy-tuloy ang kanilang momentum. And Rick, hindi malabong magkaroon tayo ng overtime dito sa ating second game ng pagsisimula ng ating second round. Grabe.
Pinapakita talaga dito ng dalawang kupunan na ito na hindi sila papatalo at hindi uuwing luhaan para dito sa game na ito. Now, both teams are very hungry to get their win here para magkaroon ng magandang posisyon in our standing. But on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers, traveling violation ang itatawag sa kanilang kupunan. So, ito ang magandang chance on the side of this Genesis Roaring Lions para makakuha ng abante dito sa ating larong ito. 61-60, very close and tight match. Now, Ganahan tries for that mid-range jumper and pasok para doon sa ating last play na yon. So, back to Genesis ang kalamangan. Now, Oriol looking for his teammate, Zuniga. Heavily guarded here.
On the outside, Francisco. Sweet spot of the White Tigers. No good on that attempt. So we'll see. Ayan at basket count nga. Change of favor naman tayo dito. Isang puntos na kalamangan. Let's see here. Ryan Ganahan. Tumon Panbanwa. Now jersey number 10, Dahero. Libreng-libre. No good on that 3 points attempt. And defensive rebound here of the White Tigers. Jersey number 3. That's good. Napakaganda. Grabe. He secured that shot with a point. Pinatalon niya muna yung bantay niya sa kanya. Ipinasok.
Outplayed.
2 points na yon. Ayan, Rick, 3 puntos na ang kalamangan dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers.
But turnover, crucial turnover.
Grabe.
Ang nangyari on the side of this Pasakaw White Tigers. That ball slip on the hands of this player of Pasakaw White Tigers. So Genesis, it's their time para makahabol dito sa ating natitirang 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Now Genesis on the offense tries that one and a foul was called on the side of the Pasakaw White Tigers. So 2 shots will be given on the side of this Genesis Roaring Lions para maibaba dito ang kalamangan na hawak ng Pasakaw.
Ayan, at shoutout muna tayo dito kay Camille Dahero, Tristan Mina, Eileen Francisco, Kisha Briosa, kay Nenita De Torres, kay Rowan Alahar. Ayan, shout out po sa inyo. Happy viewing po. No good on that second attempt. And ball possession of the White Tigers here. Francisco to Bio on the outside. Now Atienza. No good on that attempt. And
now, ball possession ng Genesis, 2-point lead. Ang kailangan ditong mabura ng ating Genesis sa ating scoreboard. Now, if they want to bounce back, this is the right time to do that. No good on that attempt. And now, the ball will remain on the side of the Genesis team. 65-63. Ayan, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live audiences sa loob ng Alney Gymnasium. Shoutout dito kay Janjan Basales, kay Kim Monteroso at kay James Gabarda. Ang mga staff ng One Media talaga namang binibigyan tayo ng magandang serbisyo para magkaroon ng magandang live streaming. Now, back to the ball game. Genesis.
Ganahan pushes to the inside, puts up the 2 and 3 points play opportunity pa nga, Rick. Grabe. Napakagandang bawi ang ginawa dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lions. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. A chance for the Genesis Roaring Lions to lead by 1 point. No good on that free throw. 3 points play opportunity. Deadlock on 65 pero libreng-libre. Jersey number 3. Sinabayan pa yan ni Ganahan. Oriol. 2 points. Last 2 minutes of our fourth and last quarter. Napakadikit ng laban natin, Rick.
Yes.
Now, Dahero, mid-range jumper with a whistle. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Dahero of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 1 minute and 49 seconds remaining. Grabe. Magandang chance. A chance for the Genesis Roaring Lions na ipantay yung puntos nila dito sa ating White Tigers. That's good for the first attempt. Grabe.
Let's see dito sa pangalawang attempt ng Genesis kung maitatabla ulit ba dito ang ating scoreboard. 1 minute and 49 seconds. But no good on that attempt, pero offensive rebound and 2 points was added on their side. Abante na dito ng isa ang Genesis.
3 points by
Bola.
Francisco. No good on that attempt. Grabe. Libre sana siya doon pero no good. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Nakikita naman natin ang hiyawan, ang pagka-supportive ng ating crowd on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Now, Pasaka White Tigers to Zunida. No good on that attempt by Zunida. And offensive rebound here. Mid-range jumper. That's good for 2 points only. Ayan. Mid-range lamang yon. Pero palit na tayo, Rick, ng favor dito. Isang puntos na kalamangan ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Kaya naman agad na napatawag dyan ng timeout ang side ng Genesis Roaring Lions with 1 minute and 2 seconds remaining. Ayan, at sinigurado pa yan ni Coach Tan ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers kung talagang 2 points lang ba yung mid-range jumper na yun. Pero sabi ng ating referees, 2 points lamang yung nagawang shot ni Francisco on
What
that
a
last
game.
sequence.
Talagang ang ganda ng pinapakitang performance ng dalawang kumpanan na ito. So sulit na sulit ang mga talaga namang nanunood pa ng larong ito between the Pasakaw White Tigers and the Genesis Roaring Lions. And now ball possession ng Genesis. Let's see dito sa natitirang 1 minuto at 2 segundo kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito. So sit back and relax because the game is now coming to an end.
Sigurado ako, Rick, yung mga timbahay dyan nakakapit na sa dapat nilang kapitan dahil napakaigpit ng laban natin. Second game of the second round, napakainit. Grabe. A whistle here. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 27, Abache. Ryan Ganahan rather of the Genesis Roaring Lions. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Zuniga of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. No good on that first attempt by Zuniga. Grabe, Rick, naghihiyawan na ang crowd ng Genesis Roaring Lions. And that's good for that second attempt by Zuniga of the White Tigers. Now 45 seconds remaining. Let's see here, Ryan Ganahan looking for a good opportunity here now. Monpon Banwa pushes to the inside. No good on that attempt, pero may bawi si Nieva. A 2 free throw naman ang igagawa dito kay Nieva on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Grabe, Rick. Dikit na dikit ang laban.
Ayan, sa mga nasa loob ng Adno Gymnasium, I can feel the tension and excitement na talaga namang nararamdaman natin ditong lahat because of the great basketball game dito sa ating Bukal Season 6. 70-69, 1-point lead. And let's see kung mabubura at maitatabla ba dito ng ating Genesis Roaring Lion ang score na ito. 32 seconds everyone ang natitira. No good, pero offensive rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. And what a great point conversion. And still on the side of this Genesis.
Ayan at 2 free throws naman. Ayan at natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 1 of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Ayan naman magkakaroon dito ng 2 free throws si Ryan Ganahan on the side of the Genesis Roaring Lions. No good on his first attempt. A chance to raise their lead to 2 points. 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan, nanonood sa atin si Christine Reyes. Sigurado ako, Rick, nakahawak na yan si Christine Reyes sa kanyang upuan. Dahil masyadong tikit yung laban natin dito sa pangalawang laro. Grabe. Dinagdagan pa ng isa ni Ryan Ganahan.
So 20 seconds remaining for our game, 70-72. If you are on the side of this Genesis Roaring Lion, kailangan nila ng magandang depensa para hindi dito makahabol ang ating Pasakaw White Tigers. Pero kung sa side ka naman ng Pasakaw White Tigers, sure offense ang kailangan to tie this matchup or even baka lamang ng 1 puntos dito sa ating laro. Medyo Mahaba pa itong 20 seconds na ito. Anything can happen between these two teams. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. So tutok lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, 1 Media TV 48 Naga and Bukal Facebook page. Now, ball possession ng Pasakaway Tigers. Oriol to inbound.
Now let's see. "14 seconds to shoot on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Let's see. Zuniga. Now, no good on that attempt and a steal here by the Roaring Lions. Pero may whistle tayo dito. We'll see. Ayan at tatlong puntos na ang kalamangan dito ng Genesis Roaring Lions. We'll see if Punzalan will add one. Ay, yun na nga. 4 na puntos na ang kalamangan dito. And dinagdagan pa yan, Rick, ng 2. Bali, 6 na. Napakagandang momentum ang ipinakita dito. No good on that 3 points attempt. And dyan na nga, nagtatapos ang ating second game. Bigla ang momentum, landslide of the Genesis Roaring Lions. Napakagandang laro. Well, nakita naman natin, Rick, na hindi basta-basta bumitaw. Itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, talaga namang binigyan tayo ng napakagandang laban. Congratulations dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. And congratulations to the Genesis Roaring Lions for getting their 5th win this season and their first win dito sa ating second round. Diyan lamang po kayo at maya-maya lamang ay makikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not to...
Bicolandia, after an intense and thrilling match, the Genesis Roaring Lions managed to conquer the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Now the best player of the game is brought to you by Tigers Cafe, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Coming from the bench with 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals, jersey number 27, Mr. Ganahan. So good morning and congratulations. So ano ang naging motivation ng Genesis Roaring Lions sa laro nyo ngayong araw?
Unang po, ang mama ko po, tapos ang teammates ko po, tapos ang mga supporter po.
So kwentuhan mo naman kami, paano nyo ba na-maintain? Paano mo na-maintain ang momentum mo sa loob ng hard court knowing na napakadikit ng laban kanina?
Nakinig lang po kami sa coach namin and ginawa lang po namin yung best namin. Go hard lang po.
And with that best, nanalo kayo. Now, I am giving you the floor na mag-shoutout o magpasalamat sa supporters ng Genesis Roaring Lions.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga manager po namin and sa bossing po namin, si Boss Abit po and sa mga coaches po, sa teammates ko po.
So once again, thank you and congratulations. Jersey number 27, Mr. Ganahan with 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. This has been Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter of the Genesis Roaring Lions, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon ng One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our best player of the game is none other than Ryan Ganahan, jersey number 27 with 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Congratulations to the Genesis Roaring Lions. Ang ating best player ay hatid sa atin ng ating courtside reporter, the Britney girl, Rain Reyes, and of course, Tigers Cafe located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Congratulations to the Genesis Roaring Lions for getting your 5th win this season and the first win this second round. I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta, and tutok lamang sa iba't ibang matchup pa dito sa Bukal Season 6 only here at Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.